Hey guys, gonna go check out some old cars in the bush and get some poison ivy in them at the same time probably, but there is a lot of old vehicles back here. You're not allergic to poison ivy, are you?
Nope.
There's one. There's two. I don't know what this is, a Volvo? No, Volkswagen maybe? It's an old car. International truck in the back there. I think that's a 40s. Let's see if we can go this way. There's some more over here. There's that old truck. Another old truck. Mercury. She's seen better days. What's the deal with that, eh?
Like moss. Or no, that's
The
the melted.
lens.
That's the melted lens.
Yeah, but look at that one. It's melted too.
Yeah, it's from the heat of the sun.
Think so?
Yeah, the heat of the sun coming in on that on them bright morning or whatever.
What? I was thinking maybe somebody came in here and was vandalizing. Like a lighter or something.
But it would.
But why would they?
But it would be more gone than that. It would be more burnt,
Oh yeah,
and it would be blacker.
that's true. Look at that.
It's all just slow melt.
I don't know whether it really shows it good. It's definitely an old car graveyard. Yeah, we got a Buick Regal with a nice little add-on, a nice tree.
That was an option in '78.
Yeah, tree comes with it.
Yeah.
We can negotiate the tree. And there's a, I think that's a Mercedes. We go even farther here. Something looks to be tromping through the bush. It's an old Dodge Dart.
Alright, huh?
Swinger.
Yeah.
I remember being in that car as a kid.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
This is a 60 something 7 or 66 Parisian. Pontiac Parisian.
Convertible?
And there's a Parisian convertible. Actually, I think that's a 4-door Impala under there. Apparently all the trees love these cars. All the trees love these cars. You
Yeah.
see the
Yeah.
trees.
That is neat.
So that's the cars this way, and then If we go through the bush this way, I believe there's some more cars.